Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mount your Starlink using the app on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your Starlink app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, look for obstructions or check for obstructions. Tap on it. These tools help you choose the right mounting location. Now tap Start Scan. Hold your iPhone and slowly point it at the sky. Move your iPhone in a circle as shown on the screen. When the scan is done, the app will show result. If it says clear view, this is good place to mount this. If it shows red areas, choose another spot. Use the app results to choose your mounting spot. It can be the roof, pole or wall. Make sure nothing blocks the sky view. Now mount your Starlink dish in the chosen spot. Secure it tightly so it does not move in the wind. And that's it. You have successfully used the Starlink app to mount your dish on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.